Good morning. Today I am going to go through a new feature that Skyward has released to easily send progress reports. This was a feature they used to have in an older version that was a very popular feature, so I'm not too sure why they removed it, but they got a lot of feedback and they have since put it back in as of today or yesterday, January 10th. So I'm going to take you through sending progress reports, and then I'm going to take you through using the same feature for messaging, and I'll tell you why in a few minutes, okay? So first of all, let's go through sending progress reports. To get to it, you simply come up here to your hamburger menu, you click on Gradebook, and you'll notice right under Features, there's a new one called Send Progress Report. When you click on that, this shows you the history of the ones you sent, okay? That's what this screen is. You just go up to Send Progress Report right here. Once you do, you're going to name what your project is or your description. I called mine 4th 6 weeks progress reports, and the attachment display name is going to say the same. That this one is what the parents will see, okay? And so I just called it the same. Under recipients, you're going to want to choose probably both. I want both the student and the guardian to get the progress report. I'm going to choose both. Then you might want to give it a subject and type in what you want, okay? When you're ready, you can do a couple of things. First of all, you can schedule these if you want to. Click on Schedule. You can actually go and say to do it a certain amount of time, certain days, whatever. You can schedule these out to happen on their own time. But in this, I'm going to cancel that. In this example, I'm going to show you how to send them out right away, okay? So when you're ready, instead of pressing Schedule, we would press Next, okay? Now, on this screen, I know it looks a little overwhelming, but it's pretty simple. You're going to want to send these progress reports out every 6 weeks. So you might want to just kind of have a prompt already in place. So if you click first Save as New and call it something, I called mine Mid-Grading Period Progress Reports. And then template description are the 3-week progress reports. I just called it that and click Save. When you do that, when you do that, it'll put something in here. Then you click on Classes right here. And this is where you can go down and choose the classes you're talking about. In my example, I have all the semester 2 classes right now, okay? Then click somewhere out here to get out of there. Then it says show all values. This is if you only want to send it to specific students, okay? I whited out the names here for obvious reasons, but you can also only send to certain students if you want to, okay? So that's what that's for. Or leave it blank to go to everyone. Then under grade buckets, that means which 6 weeks. I'm going to choose SW4 because that's what we're in, but you can choose what you want, okay? The rest of these I left alone. Only include active students, yes. Omit dropped students, yes. Show parent guardian signature line, no, it's not necessary. Same thing here, grade bucket settings. I left it at show all values because I don't want it just to show certain ones. I left all of this alone. Only print current grade buckets, yes, but you can change these, okay? Show category legend, yes. Show standards and subjects, yes. So I'm going to scroll down to the next one. And it show assignments. I say yes because I want them to see the assignments they're missing or that they did get a grade on. Otherwise, it'll just show them a number and an average for the class. You can choose due dates if you want here. Otherwise, if you leave it blank, it'll only go with that SW4 or whatever you chose above. Okay. Standard and subject assignment information. I said no, but you can choose yes. I said yes to indicate missing, indicate no count, indicate dropped, no, indicate multiple attempts, no, indicate comments. If you had put a comment in there, yes. Score clarifier, yes, if you marked it late or exempt or whatever. So these are all up to you. And then here is the order in which they will go. I left it alone because it looked fine to me. Okay. So when you're done, you would simply click Save and Send. And it's that simple, okay? You can also click Save Draft, and that's it. It went, and it's that simple, okay?